Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur. Wow. Today I am back with another video, and this video is all about St. Patrick's Day. I usually don't do a thing for St. Patrick's Day, which I'm not doing today, so I decided to film this look. Today is technically St. Patrick's Day, but tomorrow this video will be uploaded. This video will be uploaded on Monday. But yeah, I just wanted to show you my somewhere over the rainbow. Oh sis. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and continue to watch. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Go ahead and share this video with your friends. Comment down below. Let's talk. Let's get to know each other. I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is just a soul blossoming in nature. Mwah.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Hey y'all, so we're going to get started with my other eye. We're going to go with my Mio makeup, and I'm going to use that green pigment, and I'm just using that as my transition color. So you're going to put that all over your crease, or kind of above your crease. Then I went into my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I just used that like lime yellowish color. And now I'm going into the black in that same Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. So now I'm going in with my LA Girl Creamy Beige Concealer to cut the crease of my eye. Remember, when you have hooded eyes, you have to cut a lot higher than the girl without the hooded. So that is my Magic palette from Juvia's, and I'm using that green shade to go all over my lid. Okay, now I'm going back in with that black, and I'm just blending it out into my outer V. So after I wipe off that crease, I'm going to do my eyeliner. This is my Sister Bold eyeliner. Now I'm going with my NYX Gold Glitter, and I'm just using that line to define the crease and to give the look a little pizzazz. So I went ahead and did my foundation and all that good stuff, and now I'm going back into my Mio pigment, and I'm using that orange color because, you know, or I don't know if anyone knows, what the Irish flag is orange and white and green. So yeah. So I'm just going in with the NYX glitter glue, and I'm just going to put that glitter glue in the inner corner, and then I'm gonna go in with my yellowish goldish glitter girl. So right now I am psyching myself out because I'm about to draw a rainbow, and I'm like, look, you only got one chance, ma. You only got one chance to make this work. Nope, don't fuck it up. In my RuPaul voice, excuse my language, my bad, sorry. But yeah, I'm just doing the shape of a rainbow, kind of like how you would do on paper. That's pretty much what I'm doing. And now I'm doing like little clouds at the bottom. So I'm just kind of going in little circles with the concealer. And this is my Creamy Beige Concealer again, guys. I don't think I said that. So now I'm just patting it in. And then I'm going to go in with a bunch of the colors from the Mio makeup. So I'm going in with that reddish orange color first. That'll be my red. This actually didn't take much time. Then I went in with the orange, and then I went in with the lime, and now I'm going in with the green. Guys, this actually didn't take as long as I thought it would. It's just literally just coloring it in. You just want to be as precise as possible. And that's pretty much it. I wanted to do something simple but something festive. Ain't nobody got time to be here all day. Like, you know my motto. I don't sweat it. So then I'm going in with the pink, that's the last color. Now I'm going in with that white color that's at the bottom of that Mio makeup tower. And I'm just patting that on to make my clouds. I was going to do gold and at the end of the rainbow, but this is what we got. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. blush, and I'm just putting that over my face. And now I'm using my Beauty Bakerie highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. And I'm just putting that where it goes. So when I'm highlighting by the rainbow, I kind of just highlight around it and above it a little bit, just to give it a little bit of a sparkle. Ooh. So now I'm going to go in with my black Glamite liner, and I'm just going to define it. I use this liner because it's a great precision liner. So I just want to define the clouds and add a little bit of accent lines around it, so the rainbow kind of look like it's off of my face a little bit, not too much, just to give it a little bit of, you know, depth. Yeah, that's the word, depth. So after I'm done with that liner, I'll go in with my white NYX liner, and I'm just going to highlight those parts where I put the black lines. So it's pretty much all I'm doing. And as you can see, it kind of pronounces the rainbow a lot more on my face. Alright, now I went into my lashes. Now I'm doing my lips. I'm using my NYX Lingerie in the color 5. And I'm using this as my base coat. And now I'm using my Morange from MAC. It's a really bright orange, so I wanted to put the brown underneath to kind of dim it down a little bit. So I'm going back in with that NYX liner. I mean, lip pen, pencil, pen, matte, whatever. Now I'm using my Cover FX glitter drops. I just wanted to do a little bit of glitter on the chest to kind of tie in the look a little bit. So that's it, guys. The look is completed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. See you guys in my next one.